Hello, beautiful. Today I want to show you how you can organize your different Bible study workbooks with the supplies that you are using for them. So I get bored really easily and I move on from one thing to the next. I know that I shouldn't. I teach you to go through one book of the Bible from the beginning to the end. And this is why I love my online Bible study group, because they keep me accountable. They make me stay in the same book. But I do work ahead of my group also on the next study. And sometimes I go back and work on a past study so I can use my chapter mapping system with a past study. Now, this is for the Galatians chapter mapping study. This is a course that I have updated on my website. It's amazing, super affordable. You will not have this bar in the middle of your chapter mapping workbook. A copy of it comes free with the course when you pay for it, a digital copy. So you can print it off or you can use it digitally, or you can go on to Amazon and you can purchase this. I am loving these. I'm absolutely loving them. They have the full text of the Bible over here. They have the chapter mapping steps, and I have condensed these steps to make them into 7 steps in 7 days to make chapter mapping super doable for you. But the purpose of this video is not to tell you about chapter mapping. The purpose of this video is to tell you how you can organize your supplies if you've got more than one project going on at once. And so these little filey folder type things are from the company called Temu. I've done several videos with them lately. I'm loving their office supplies and Bible study supplies at super affordable prices, free shipping, free returns, just a great, great deal. So we're going to take my Galatians book and we are going to load it up into one of these. This is the blue one, and these are, I believe they're called the Mirandy colors. I don't know, but I love them because my other ones are these really obnoxiously bright colors, and I'm just not very big on the obnoxiously bright colors. So let me show you how I use this. We're going to use this blue one since it goes with my Galatians study. And when you unzip it, the workbook that you're working on, the chapter mapping workbook, or even if you were working on a verse mapping workbook, the verse mapping workbook could go in here. So let's put this one in the pink one. Oh no, this beautiful green. No, Nikki, go pink, go pink. I probably don't have very many study books that are pink, so let's go pink. So I would put my verse mapping book in here, and I would put the colors that I like to use with my verse mapping book and the washies and things in here. Ooh, it has a little pocket. I did not know this, that you can label what's in it, which is cool. But I love that you can see through them, but they're very durable, they're very flexible, and so you can organize your supplies like this. So then what I do is I print off my creatives kit, my stickers, and all of the things that come with the Bible study, or you can purchase these separately too and print them off yourself. The digital printable version comes with the Bible study. Nothing physical comes with the Bible study, okay? Because I don't have a way of shipping out things to you, so you have to print them off yourself. But look at this. These are my stickers that I printed on my label paper, and I just put them in here. How cool is this? Then everything I need when I get out my Galatians study and want to work on it is in here. So I have my highlighters that I've been using throughout this study, and I just throw them right in here with it. I got some new washi tape from Temu, and I was thinking, hey, some of these really go with my study here for Galatians, so I may grab a couple of these and stick them in here also. Let's see. I've got all kinds of new ones. I may just throw these 2 in there also so I have them handy. And so then when I go to do my study of Galatians, I've got all of these supplies in here. So if you're not doing a different book of the Bible, and 2 different books of the Bible at the same time, which I don't suggest. I don't suggest that. But you may be doing a daily verse mapping, and you may want to grab some colors and things that go along with this. And so you would grab the things that you need. For instance, these are my Mr. Pen gel highlighters. And let's say that I want to do some that maybe kind of go with this color. Ooh, I've got spills on my book. Kind of go with this color. So I could grab some of the brighter colors here and keep them right in this book. So I would have them then when I go in to do my verse mapping. I could then also add some washi tapes if I wanted to that went along with this color scheme, and just have this handy so that, hey, I'm ready to verse map today. I'm gonna grab my verse mapping bag and go ahead and do a verse. So just some thoughts there on ways that you can do these. Super inexpensive, little handy, great for anything around the house, really. And I love that they're so durable and that you can see in them. So loving these new colors. I'm not a primary color person, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, but I love these lighter tones. And so anyway, I will put a link for these below. There's a discount code for anything that you want to order off Temu. And I would love to know how you organize your workbooks, your chapter mapping workbooks with the supplies. I also would like to know if you've taken any of my Inductive Bible Study Academy courses. They are updated. They are new on my website. They're very thorough for inductive Bible study and very affordable. So let me know if you've taken any of those. And if so, which one you have taken. You're beautiful. God loves you. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.